An inequality is when two values are not equal or could be equal. So it's a comparison of values. So we need to know the inequality symbol. So the first one here is an arrow facing to the left. It's represented by an open circle. This would represent less than. So this arrow pointing to the left would be less than. So if you look at this first example, f is less than 5. I would represent that with an open circle because I know it's not 5, but it's all numbers that are less than 5. So something that could make this true for f is less than 5 could be 4 is less than 5, 3 is less than 5, 2, 1, 0, etc. So this graph would represent any number less than 5. This arrow facing to the right represents greater than. It would also be an open circle. So here we have h is greater than 3. So I would find 3, and because I know it's not equal to 3, it's just numbers bigger than 3, it's an open circle. I'm going to go to the right to show all of the values that are bigger than 3. So for example, 4 would be greater than 3, 5 would be greater than 3, and so on and so on. Next, we have less than or equal to. So this is less than or equal. So that means it could be less than that number or it could be equal to that number. So here we have x is less than or equal to -2. So I'm going to show that using a closed circle because it's possible that x is -2, but it's also possible that it's any number that's less than -2. And then we have here greater than or equal to, which again would be a closed circle. So here we have j is greater than or equal to -1. So I'm going to find -1. It's a closed circle because it's possible that my answer for j would be -1. So it can be -1. It could also be any number that is larger than -1. Then we have equal. So just any number that's equal to, that would be a closed circle because that is the solution. K is equal to 4, so I would just put a closed circle on 4. And then lastly, we have not equal. So not equal. That would be represented by an open circle. So it's any number that is not +2. So it can be any number except for +2. So it's an open circle on 2 because 2 is not the solution.